Working title of this game is Bluestone Blaster. Pretty basic as far as the actual look of it goes. Reminds me kind of asteroids. Here's an entity, an enemy here. It's based off of a TIE fighter. Like I call it a TIE fighter. I'll probably refer to it, everything's Star Wars here, so. Darn. So, the main concept of this game, currently it's running a survival kind of gameplay. In the future I do want to make it a little more adventure style. I've always been a big fan of games like, I'd say Legend of Zelda is probably one of the biggest ones where you actually have a story to play out. This one would be kind of like that. You'd fly through like these massive, perhaps like ships or something like that. I didn't really have in mind doing a two-dimensional kind of, I guess, shooter, but it's what I made, so I'm gonna learn to enjoy it. One of my favorite features about the mechanics of this game is every entity that's on the screen has its own unique color object, and how these colors interact with each other is through a color mix system that I created. So if we have, for example, on collision or destruction rather of a entity, it will create an explosion effect that mixes the colors of what caused it. So the green and red make a yellow, which is nice. This yellow will make an orange. Pretty much anything I destroy is going to create like particles of that color. So what I want to implement next is kind of a, I guess, waypoint setup, or I don't know, some kind of beginning to. I have a very nice base for a game. I mean, this is decent combat right here. I don't mind this. I think this is pretty good, and these guys make a nice boss because they actually aim ahead of you, and they're just very evil. But I want to add like some kind of progression to the game. Like, for example, somewhere out in space, if you travel for a while, you'll eventually find something like a massive ship. I mean a ship that's going to take up more than your screen. It's going to be large, and you can probably land on it and perhaps trade there and get new weapons and things like that. So it would actually be more of an RPG kind of game than anything. But you get new weapons like this ion laser thing and this scatter cannon, which is actually, I like this one a lot. This one's really fun. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Going to hyperspace now.